think the sun. I can do this. I can do this. I can even do this. I feel like I'm birthing Athena if I do this. Yeah. Yeah, can you see me? I'm not dead yet. This lighting makes me look like I'm dead already. I'm not dead yet. At least not in this layer of time. I'm not. I could move closer. Yeah, now I found the magic spot. Yeah. I wanna take out my entire flesh and just do this. That has been the longest 3 hours that I have had so far this year. And I'm getting goosebumps all over my body just because I wish I can speak about it, but I can't due to, yeah, respect of people's privacy. But I'm lucky. I guess I'm lucky. Not I guess. I'm certain I am lucky. Because I have people in the physical realm within my proximity that can handle my sensitivity, and I feel like I can speak about it, but I'm not sure yet, because that's the tricky thing when you meet up friends. Sometimes I have to be sensitive about their emotional state as well, or if they still have enough of themselves to bear the weight of the story that I am about to tell. But a lot of the times I can tell the story only from certain angles, because I can notice that they are tired as well, and I have to be a considerate friend, because that's what friends are for. You're responsible for each other. And but good thing whenever I have something like this, I can always say to myself that, well, it's good for the art. It's good for the art, man. It's good for the art. 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 And yes, that is true. As far as it's good for the art. Am I seen again, or is the light, it's taking my way away? I'm being carried to the other dimension. That's oh no, the aliens You're taking me away. Yeah, it's good for the art, as always. Three hours ago. I wish, you know, I wish I knew how young I was 3 hours ago, so I could have enjoyed it more. But yeah, it's life. It's life. It's life. Just because I look like this doesn't mean that my youth has not left me a long time ago. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? My friend. My friend. My friend. Why do I have to have the what do you call this? The stamp on my back that says art department, that I have to yeah, why? Well, this is why. Yeah, because I think that this being assigned to the art department, as beautiful as you can make things to be or appear or experience the beauty, as far in the spectrum, or as deeply or as grand you can experience beauty, the darkness that comes with it is also as profound as that, if not more. They call it a double-edged sword, but I think it's not a sword. It's something, because swords, they only affect the flesh. They only affect the flesh. When you get stabbed, yes, you may die on this realm, but get what I mean. I can just see it. I don't have to speak always. I can just see it and exist. And squeeze my finger. I feel like this thing is a bridge. I feel like a bridge. Sometimes I don't feel like human anymore. I feel like I'm just a bridge. Or yeah, I feel like I'm just a bridge or a portal. I'm more of a bridge than an actual human being, I feel like. Because this thing, it feels like, you know, those when you're trying to pour, for example, a bucket of water into a little bottle, for example, a bucket. You have this thing in the middle. What's that called? Is it called a funnel? I feel like that. I feel like I am like that. Or this thing is like that. There's so much things that is not visible, and this is my attempt to understand what it is, and sort of balance everything that I'm experiencing that's not visible to the naked eye. I feel like, yes, this is, it's interesting. It's interesting. Yes, it's interesting. It's interesting and alive, and it sharpens the mind. And it's what the funny thing is, even if you crack my head like right now, you will not see it. You will just see a mush of, what's that, fat and blood and the things that I'm seeing when I close my eyes, the things that come alive. It will not be visible. Even if they put some kind of but yeah, the skies are blue, the aliens are watching and the aliens are, I don't know, the aliens inside my head and outside of Earth are coexisting and dancing, and so am I, and so are you, so is everybody else. And thank you for being alive. I guess. Yeah, thank you for being alive.